This super easy drugstore daytime glam, then keep watching. I'm starting off with the Color Stay foundation in the shade 300. I'm gonna dot this all over my face first and then blend it out. I really love the coverage of this foundation, and it's good for combination skin, which is what I have, and I love the color of this as well. It actually matches really well to my neck. I'm also going to apply a little bit of concealer, a little on my chin and the bridge of the nose. I actually really like this concealer for an everyday basis. It's not drying or anything like that, and it doesn't crease or settle into fine lines, so I actually use this on the regular and I love it. And I'm also going to prime my eyelids with this concealer. So I'm only going to set my T-zone area because I want to keep the glow. I'm going to use the Photo Ready Translucent Setting Powder. Now I want to fill in my eyebrows, and I want to go for more like a feathered out look, and I think this product is perfect for it. So this is the Color Stay Brow Kit, and this is in the shade Soft Brown. It comes with a little spoolie and a dual-sided angled brush, and also this setting pomade, which I think is really nice. So I like to start at the front of my eyebrow and flick the product upwards because that's how naturally your hair grows. So by doing this, it will create really nice feathered little eyebrow hairs, and it'll make it look a lot more natural. With the bottom of the brow, I like to make it a little more defined, so I will just follow my natural shape and fill in all the sparse areas. And then the tail of the brow, I also do the flicking motion, so I want it to look like little hair strokes. And then to fill in the top, I'm gonna brush all my hairs down. And then you want to brush through all of the product to make sure it's nice and soft. I love setting my eyebrows with this brow mousse. It's in the shade Blonde because I like just a little bit of lightness and more definition. So this is basically a tinted mousse that is super long wearing. It wears up to 24 hours. So I'm just going to brush this through my eyebrows. I love the fact that you just twist it and the product comes out, and it's also a brush as well. So it grooms and sets your eyebrows all in one. Formula is super airy and lightweight, so it's really comfortable to wear. And it's also waterproof, so it won't smear or smudge, and it also covers gray eyebrow hairs, which is pretty cool. I just love the look of this. I think this is such an amazing product to achieve like that feathered eyebrow look. It gives you so much more dimension. Next, I'm gonna pick up this dark brown shade from the Decadence mini palette, and this is gonna go on the outer corner of my eye. And also on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna highlight my inner corners with this pretty champagne shade up here. Oh, that is pigmented. Wow. I also want to apply this pearly pink shade right here on my lid. Wow, that's actually really pretty. I'm gonna apply some of this volume and length magnified mascara. This is such a cute baby pink blush color. It's actually called Oh Baby Pink, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of this on my cheeks. Oh, that's so pretty. And lastly, for lipstick, I'm actually going to layer a liquid lipstick and a gloss. So this is the Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade Seduction. It's super pretty, like a pretty pink mauve color. So I think it'll go perfectly with this look. And then for the gloss, this is the Supernatural in the shade 215. And I'm just going to put the gloss in the center. So I think that completes this really easy daytime glam makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next video.